So to make this one, I use these letters, and of course you need pony beads, string, and scissors. Yeah, these are a little red because I use them for a painting project, and I tried to get it off, but yeah, no, it doesn't want to come off. There are 6 letters. When you fold it, it should be 3 on every side, like this, and you like turn it like this, and you see this pearl will be on the other side, on the exact other side, because the pearls line up. What you want to start with is take some string, put it around your wrist. It should be like a little bit more because you need to tie a knot, and you cut and right there. Now what you want to do is you take your beads, and I'm just gonna use random colors. You can use any colors you want. I'm just gonna use like rainbow colors or something. So you take your first color very nicely, and so they take your first bead and put it like that. Your second bead and third bead like that. The fourth and the fifth, you just do that so you have the whole rainbow. That, and now what you want to do is find like a metallic color or a color that's this, and I'm gonna use a silver bead. You're gonna, wait, I dropped this, get back. You're gonna put it at the end of the like purple bead. That's the first part. Now you don't put it on this third yet, and we need to do something first. You take the first color that you've got, mine's pink, and you put it right there, like this. It should look like this. And then I'm gonna use orange, and use whatever color you like. You take the orange one, then the green one, and then the thing you're gonna do now, it's a little different. You're gonna take the same color as the bead before, the yellow one. So I'm gonna take orange, like that, and you just take your start color, like that. And I need to find a metallic color in my bead soup, and you put like whatever color you like, right there. You can also put like a metallic color on the start. You're gonna need that later, and then you just take the rainbow, flip it, and put it right there. Not this rainbow though, not that. We're not gonna start with pink, we're gonna start with purple, and I found a purple. So you take a purple right there, a blue, and then you're gonna put all of the beads starting from here and right there on the threaded. So I'm gonna do that.
Okay, let's go.
So the reason is that you're not gonna make a knot here is because we're gonna add text there. So you just put something heavy on it, and you just continue adding your beads.
Let's go.
You're gonna see it's a lot more space here because they're bigger when they're like this. Wait, I can show. So they're bigger when they are like this, and they are bigger, and when they are like this, they're smaller. And now we're gonna text. We're just gonna add Yippee text to this too. I'm going to use some different colors. You can use only one color, you can use different. It's gonna be like this. So you start with, if you're here, you should start with the Y if your string's here, and if your string is here, you should start with E. So you start with Y. Oh. So you just take a Y, and I'm just going to use black, like, yep, not just a yep. And now we need it to ease. Wait, I'm just gonna like do this Y instead because it's a lot more colorful. This I, because that's also a lot more colorful. But I can't find my keys. I don't want this color because it's gonna be colorful. Well, we can use that if I don't find anything else. Yeah, it's fun. You're just gonna add the Y this side, and you need to align it so it goes out. So you're just gonna do the same thing as this one, but right there. So like that. Looks good. Now you're just gonna tie a knot. Tie one normal knot. Another normal knot. And another normal knot. The reason why I'm doing a triple knot is because it's gonna go up or move around when it's a double. And if it's just a single, then yeah, just gonna be bad. Then you take your scissors and cut the excess string, not too close to the knot though. Didn't just like move it to wherever you want. That's how you make a Yippee single. I like Yippee singles. Bye bye!